Kani gade Kyrpad CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kawai neki sengsan pertai ke Jylla, ke Badairu ke Sengriulom, ke United Democratic Party. Henne kasni ke katsan tarik unopra ke lapelong ya ke General Council Komisi Benta ban penkre ya ke election sya ke yang terbar tauan ke Jylla ke ban salong House Nam Ahjar Khat Prabanwan. Hakani ke jelang ke balapelong ha Asam Kristi dan ke ti Shillong. Lawan ni sementa da kinungkit kam bahakmat jong keseng ki bakentop yo Presiden u Dr. Don Kuparoy ki arngot ki working president bakentop yo ba bindo emlanong ba ba polling do nang ta ki kertong ki ban saya aireng. Hakani ke election bat ki pai ba ki balawan na keleng kerilom khasi jentia bat kumjo na rilom garo. Hakani ke jelang keseng kelasem yakarai ban pha da ke jingtho sya ke Election Commission of India. Ban Kyrpad na kabenta ban punan kamno da ka ballot paper ha ka jinge Thep vote ha ka ni ke Jylla ha ka election ke ban salong House Nam Ahjar Khat Pra ka jinge lang kala semru ya karai ban pelong ya ke jelang pajba ha ka khatwai tarik ubanai kalaling kot jong Usnam Ahjar Khat Pra banwan hang ni hanung ba Shillong nangta ka UDP ha ka ni ke sngi ka penbenaru ya ki kerteng jong ki laingot ki kertong ki ban sai aireng ha ka election sa ka yang terbar thawan ke Jylla bakentop yu ba don bok khamden uban yakon na Mauhati constituency uba Lakmen Remboy na Amlarem constituency bat Usangkal Sangma na Dalu constituency.
Jylla Jogi habide sansnem di Barban. Walau glad ba di assembly yang dorba ke Barman. Kedai yang dorba ke Ban Saki yang kawai jinja kebadan kamba, umauer kebadan kamba, berkata di kajinjam jingdam satu sen, jom kami lihat kum ke Jylla. Kumno kita saya jingdam satu sen, jom kum ke Jylla. Hari ini dulu kata kepada minum menta, ke drop out rate kepada itu hari ini, silakan kikna kibahkan berdep, yang sekolah tan di South dan di Ballot. Atu ini jalan kandur, kecing dok, jingiran, kawalan pamkia, yang wei kalau ini, baju dan kerja panggung, kapnya jom kesosialom, hindi niya nayo molong ngi, yang kecing jom kiliti jongi, kecing ini yang suruh kalau brand banyak kali, kibadi cindi. Bagi bayar jat, dari dunia malang haju. Kini borok kita tidak kisah jom kepampung kepasyirkai. Bagi ni kepampung kepasyirkai kedalam kamu yang kecil berkiat. Kini kecil berkiat kebangas nol dari data sen UDP kabalah penai ke best prescription kebawah.
In Meghalaya, land belongs to the people, and even during Assam time, there was some claim that coal will be nationalized during Assam time. But the matter was taken up during those days, during those years, and that claim was exempted later. Because land belongs to the people, so whatever is there in the underneath the land also belongs to the people, except gold, silver, and also the oil and natural gas like petroleum, kerosene, diesel, and others. These are the properties of the government of India, but definitely not coal, not limestone, and other minerals. Uranium belongs to the government of India, so the rest are free for the state government, and the people claim their ownership over these other items. So today, the General Council rejected the claim of the Government of India or those who are in the Government of India, and that they should ensure that all limestone and such minerals belong to the people of the state. Then we have also unanimously demanded that election to small states of the Northeast and the ensuing election for Meghalaya should be conducted by ballot papers, not by the electronic voting machine or VVPAT, because these machines are man-made and they can easily be tampered, they can easily be hacked, and they don't reflect the true mandate of the people. They have already declared, the BJP leaders have already declared that there will be surprise in Meghalaya. What is that surprise? We fear that there will be hacking and tampering of machines. If not, why don't they accept the public demand, the popular demand by ballot papers? Why not?
So it appears that we have faith.
We don't have faith, yes, you are right.
The election commission itself.
Yes. You don't have faith in the election commission also. I don't have faith. At least I don't have faith in the election commission itself. Based on what I have stated, I don't have faith. Because we want a very transparent process of election. We don't have faith.